Hey guys, I'm in Bristol now. So I enjoyed the Eid in Pakistan. And how was it, guys? And how was your Easter, guys? Or how is it? How is your Eid, everyone? So I am back from Pakistan, guys. So let's start the game because it's police is trying to kill me. So I won't get tied and busted. Ready, guys? So let's kill. Let's get a Land Rover. Ow! Too bad! This is the speed warning. Oh no. Oh, come on. Oh man! Land Rover's going fast. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, come on, man. Okay, guys, come. Oh, man! Come back! Okay, now. Time to chase. If this Land Rover is gone, so I give up doing it. But let's go to Dodge Charger because that's the best car.
This is my
But
car
don't worry
now.
about that. Time to kill! Bro. Okay now, let's go this van because it's the best. Let's quit Dodge.
Ouch.
Haha. Destroy police! Haha. This is the best one. So let's try on a truck. I thought the police van would disappear. Oh no 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 no! Don't bust me! I found another one as well. No no! Oh come on man! No no no! Oh come on man! Uh, let's go to kill again. It was the police, stupid police, kill me. So I'm killing it again now. Let's go to the Lamborghini. So let's
I need your
ignore
car.
Land Rover. Yes. Oh man. Don't you dare! Shooting my Lamborghini. Oh man. No, 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 no! Oh, come on! Stop busting me every time! Let's kill again! So, I want to criticize.
Get out.
Get off, police, you stupid. Get off, Mr. Stupid. Bye bye! Oh no. You should be in the water! Get wrecked. Get wrecked! Okay now, let's have some grenade and shotgun because that's the best weapon. So let's go to collect now. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! 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 Ah! This is too late, so I am too late under the police car. I am too late. This is my final game. This is the best one.
Sorry, I need the wheels.
Stop it. Let's go to collect now. The grenade and the shotgun. Time to kill it. Hold on. Bye bye! This is very easy. Oh no! I'm going to the another one, so let's destroy. Quickly.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
I got that red, but it is my worst color. Oh no no! Haha. This is done. Oh my god! It's died. Oh my. No! Oh my god, stop ruining it! Stupid SWAT! No! Run away, run away! Where the heck can I go? Oh cow! Oh no 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 no! No! Seriously, guys! Ah, yes, let's go to the Lamborghini.
This is my car now.
Oh no! Amazing. I'm going to criticize. Ha! It was the messages, but don't worry about that. Lucky. So lucky. Oh no! My Lamborghini is going to be destroyed, man. So, it was the stupid shotgun. Oh man!
Nice car.
Easy! I want my more grenade. Let's go to the Lamborghini quickly!
This is my car
Oh,
now.
I rushed. I dare you! No, 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 no! Oh. Oh no! Sorry, I was changing the gear. Did you know, guys? I crushed a red Volvo in this game, so it is funny part at the end. Alright now. I knew I crashed Volvo, I knew. Alright guys, so I'm shooting the police. Oh man. No, no, no. I'm going to run away. I got my grenade. Oh my god!
I need your car.
Oh, perfect! Grenade! Bye bye! It's easy. Oh. Get wrecked, police. And I'm going to the Lamborghini.
Sorry, I need the wheels.
Okay guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. So, I played Payback 2, but did you know my videos? So, I tried last time, so did you see my army tank video? Because I was in tank, so I knew I was in guys. And thanks for watching guys.